Good morning on the 30th of May, Bitcoin updates. Been a few days, but last week I left you and saying that with this move down, I was in doubt if that move, this pattern I drew beginning of May, but you can see, meanwhile, we reached that level, and yeah, most logical would be for now to see a move to the downside, and when I look at the lower time frame, that also would make sense. If we go to the 4-hour chart, we reached my red box. We took out the weekend, not the weekend high, this high from last week or even the week before. So classical here, a liquidity hunt, but also now bouncing from the old range high, which could imply that we do a bit more up. I'll come back to that. For now, this looks very much like we do have a stop run over the weekend, thin order books, pushing it higher, taking out stops over here. Very obvious that we should come down, and that's my point. It's maybe too obvious. If we look, let me go to the 4-hour. If we look at the price, maybe better on the daily. Look here, price action indicator. We do have a big fair value gap over here, which lines up with, when I go to my CME charts, CME futures chart, CME gap is at 26,900. So obvious for me that we should come down to fill that imbalance and that CME gap, but I do think it's a bit too obvious. Too many people already shorting from here or went short over here somewhere, and I do think it would be a very tricky play, nasty play, to take out these highs, the weekend highs, and then come down, at least to fill that CME gap, 26,900. But maybe also lower, which you can also see in Ether. This is my chart for me, making me believe that also Bitcoin goes lower, Ether towards 1,600. But you can also see here that Ether didn't take out that high yet. And that's one of the reasons I think, next to that it's too obvious to go down from here. I do think if we have to come down, that we first take out those highs, and that Bitcoin also will do one more run here, take out these highs, and then come down. And that's also what I want to play. Here I do not really see a good opportunity to go long. That's either from way higher or after some correction. And yeah, let's see tomorrow if my expectation is right. On the higher time frame, as shown, we are at this level, so let's stick to the plan and see if we come down here. See you tomorrow.